See that, guys? Pro Trader Mike. Join that. Nice. See that, Pro Trader Mike? Join that team, guys. That's me. That's me right there. And I want you to join 2020, the #1 day trading room since 2012, baby. Over 1,700 live trading videos on YouTube. Got it going on in the Mojo room. We nailed it again with SRNE. Couple of really nice picks. Twitter, V-Ray, UVXY. Been telling you for days. Been telling you for days. Check it out. Excuse me. Cough, cough. Actually, been telling you for weeks. You come over here to the MOJO Day Trading website. You come over here to the blog. What's up, Roger? What's happening, Alan? Got a blog article written by Joe right here. And check that out. Last month of the decade. It's almost 2020, the start of a new decade. Can you believe it? I can't believe it. Can't believe it. Well, it is. And where were you in 2010? Oh my, 10 years ago? Did you accomplish what you wanted in this decade? Did you reach your goals? Did you set you and your family up financially for decades to come? If you don't know me, my name's Pro Trader Joe, and I joined in 2010. I was in the middle of college, had no idea what my future would hold, and I didn't really have a plan other than knowing I wanted to make a lot of money. And Joe's in the room now as well. It's hard to believe how my life changed in this decade. I went from a broke college student to a business owner and a full-time day and swing trader. If you were to ask me where my life started to change, the answer would be way back in 2015 when I moved to Florida and I met Pro Trader Mike for the first time. And guys, that's what I want you to do. You come and join me. Don't worry about what I trading and my things like this. I'm tweeting, posting, doing 5 streams at one time, screenshotting, putting out pics to the room, private chatting, traders in the room, all simultaneously at the same time. You don't want to be doing what I do. You want to stick in front of the computer, focus in, get in the zone on the hinds and the screen and what I got talking in the screenshots in the room, and you'll be a very successful trader, just like Joe and the whole onslaught of traders in the room. Now, before I met Mike, I was a beginner trader in the market. I had made some trades and investments, but was more gambling with my money than anything else. I read a few books and watched a few videos, but didn't have any training, coaching, and guidance required to beat the market and avoid all the traps that cost most traders their entire accounts. Luckily for me, I came in touch with a true mentor and coach that cared about my success and took me under his wing, Pro Trader Mike. I quickly enrolled in MOJO University, which taught me the entire MOJO system, including the fundamentals like how to approach the mental game of trading, journaling, and of course, the famous Heinz trade play. Note, MOJO University is required learning for those serious about trading. It's currently offered for free to all new MOJO team members. And you can watch this 2 free lessons here to get a better idea of the material. And you can click this link and go to the lessons. After taking MOJO University, my life began to change. I was finally able to make consistent money trading the market. I started small with daily profits of $50 to $75. As I grew my account, I could make larger trade plays with confidence. And within a year, I was making $250 profit per day with a fairly large account. Now, 5 years later, I'm frequently able to profit $1,000 to $3,000 per day range. This type of profit has allowed me to diversify my investments and lifestyle as I opened up 2 other businesses that help support my family. I would never been able to do that if I was stuck at a desk job grinding 9 to 5 for a meager income. Trading with Mike and Mojo has allowed me to have the free time to work on my businesses after trading the open with the Mojo team every morning. Now, the Swing Trade newsletter additionally has been a blessing because Mike is also an expert. When I'm too busy to trade or stuck on a conference call or meeting on one of my businesses, I could still make money in the market with Mike's weekly picks. And here's CGIX at 380. CGIX is like $10 right now. This was picked on scary Halloween 1027 newsletter on CGIX at 380. Where is CGIX right now? Let's take a little quote up into the room. I got a lot of new things I can do. Here we go. Price on CGIX. CGIX is 778 right now on CGIX. That's real nice right there. And just these last few weeks alone, I've made substantial profits on CGIX, Savara, GLG, CLSD, simply from reading Mike's weekly newsletter and buying when he tells me to enter the position and selling when he tells me to exit the position. It's literally that simple. Excuse me. I normally add $1,500 in profits a month by swing trading. In bigger months, I've had over $6,000 in swing trading profits. See an example of the October results from the MOJO Swing Trade newsletter below, and you can see some nice trades. BVSN, NBEV, GoPro, Tops, Vive. Vive was a big winner from 350 to 1050, 200% winner. And you could see an example of the newsletter right here, the 1117 newsletter, by clicking right there. And here's the newsletter. Let's see what picks were in that one. Example of the swing trade portfolio. So you have Blue Hat. There's Jack Specific, my number one pick, which is now at $1.10. It's 90 cents right there. Jack Specific right there. And then you got CLOS at 86 is at $1. And VLRX at $1.55. And then my trigger picks, which is AHIS, AVGR, and PSV, and SYNC, and Savara right there at 73 cents. Savara is $1.70 right now. Savara is $1.70 right now, guys. And that's an example of the swing trade newsletter. So you got Savara, SVRA, $1.38, excuse me. It only went up 100%. Sorry. Shoot the messenger, right? So you got the rest of Joe's blog. Thanks, Joe, for writing that. Before I ramble on too long, like Joe's trying not to, I'll leave you with this. I was able to make the best decade of my life by taking a decisive and focused action as well as a calculated risk. I knew I wanted to make money in the stock market, but I didn't know how. Taking a chance and joining Pro Trader Mike's MOJO Day Trading team was the decision that changed my life. And that's why the picture I did today actually really coincides with that on today's pick, guys. And listen, join the #1 day trading chat room since 2012. You're watching the MOJO Day Trading show. I do 1 or 2 of these every day and have since 2012. The most videos online out of anybody. So yeah, man, come check that out. And here's what we got going on. So you can change your life this decade, but wait. Join now and make the final month your best month of the year. Here's a free pass. Come check out the room. And click that and let's go make some money, man. Thanks for writing that, Joe. That was real nice, real cool. See what we got going on. What's hot and what's not. Let's see that. Nice. You got it, man. Hope you learned some things. So you, Roger, what's up? Miguel, hey, man. Going on? Merry Chris, Roger. You're going to seriously take a look? Yeah, definitely. Should seriously take a look at the MOJO. MOJO don't mess around. And if you need capital to trade, I got the capital for you to trade too, guys. If you guys don't have $25,000 to be some big day trader and this and that, I got capital for you to trade. You could start at a $14,000 account, or you could start at an $80,000 account. You go to mojodaytrading.com, click up after you watch that blog and check out my blog. And I told you, as I mentioned with the blog, right here, hold on a second. I showed you with the blog right here, guys, on November 13th, the ETF overload by Michael Berry predicting a really nice correction. And then right before that, how to adapt to the change And I spoke about that in the Mojo room just now, how we're going to be switching to the 15-minute time frame on the charts. Some big winners happened over the last many days. My UVXY triple threat strategy has been magnificent, beautiful. And right before that, I told you to prepare because we're going into a big correction. Right here, the down megaphone pattern on November 3rd. Right there. See that? That's the warning. Down megaphone. I'm calling the top. The tides have turned. So I've been on the money for 7 years. Absolutely not touting my own horn, but it's from the success and the longevity of the traders that are in my room. It's by far the best chat room ever in the world, by far. And it's only $149 a month to join. And if you look up there at my special and you go to mojodaytrading.com, check it out. Watch this. You get the idea, guys, right? You should be subscribing to my videos and joining my room. Right now, I got a 30% off a combo pack. Combo pack's $199 a month, but that's both services, the day trade chat room and the swing trade newsletter. You for surely want both of them. And if you don't got the swing account yet, you want to get the newsletter to learn the Ken Slim system. So it's a lifelong fishing pole that you'll be able to go catch fish forever for the rest of your life because you totally understand the 7 best characteristics of a company that make it win. And there you get both services for $149 a month, which is 30% off the holiday special. And if you're buying now for the 30% off combo pack for a limited time, you're getting the Mojo Day Trading course, a $1,497 value. Also, the swing trading course, $1,497,000 value. Take that $3,000, put it in right here. You go to the trading firms, and then you need the capital for trading. For $500, you get a $14,000 trading account. And for $3,000, the cost of that education, you can get your own $80,000 trading account where I have demonstrated to the students and traders in the room that every day you can make $100, $200, $300, $500 a day on that type of an account without even sweating it. Some days when it's really hip-hopping and rocking, you can make thousands of dollars. It's a private investment firm that cherry picks traders that go through educational services like Mojo, my courses, that really are successful traders, that these firms want my traders because they don't blow up and they generate nice profits for the firm and nice profits for themselves. And you can go up much higher than this as you upgrade your account. But this is a great start. And I've got a deal where you can save 10% on the membership to get going on that, baby. That's just, everybody should be doing that. Getting the capital, trading on OPMs, like going into the casino with $500. They give you $14,000 in chips. Come on now. They keep 25% of the pay, 30% of the profits. At this level right here, they keep 25% of your profits. Fine, here's $3,000. Give me $80,000 to sit down at the table. I'm not risking $80,000. My only risk is the $3,000, but they give me actually a down loss of $4,000. $4,000. I receive 75% of the profit. It's the greatest thing, man. Everybody should be doing this. And then once you sit at the table and you make $3,000, you stick it in your pocket, walk out, you come back the next day, you get the $80,000. You're working on all profit, man. What kind of business could you invest in yourself that you could make your whole investment back in 1 month, in a week, in 2 weeks. There is none. And then everything else after that could be up to 100% profit as you get better and better with the Mojo Room. So this is an unbelievable opportunity for everybody. And if you're not doing it, shame on you. And if you're trading your big money, shame on you. Trade this big money, take your big money, take it out of the market, invest in some other projects. And if you need some, dude, there's so many of them. Come ask the Mojo. I'll introduce you to many people in the room that are doing lots of projects, man. Absolutely. No doubt about it. So that's the Mojo. Come and join. We want you. Let's take a look at what's going on. Bold. Bold made a bold move of 30 points today. UB's gone up a lot right now. I traded Twitter and V-Ray today. No big deal. I've been doing a lot today. I didn't really want to trade a lot today. Wanted to spend my concentration over there in the Mojo Room working on my holiday promos. Yeah, nice little holiday promo. So yeah, take a serious look at the Mojo University. You get it as a member for the thing. I traded, here's the account right here. Traded the Twitter at 29.54 average. Twitter right now is a 29.62. It actually took a little bit of a drop. It looks sexy. And I traded V-Ray at 4.58, but it ran to 4.88 after I traded it. And I made $85.97 today compared to hundreds of dollars yesterday and the day before. So yesterday I made $4.35, the day before $5.55. Been able to average right in about the $4.50 range on that sort of nice little account every day. And that's all you need. That's another little additional passive income stream right there. Do the math. Everybody break out your calculator right now. Here's your calculator. Let's do the math. Let's take $300 a day. Let's under-promise and over-deliver and times it by 240 days. There's a $72,000 paycheck there for you. That's not too shabby, man. That ain't too shabby. Hey, that ain't too shabby. And if I get 80% of that, 80 times 80%, $57,600. I mean, come on, that's extra dollars, man. Guys that are doing it more seriously are able to grow that account. You know what I'm saying? And that's what I do. I help traders become successful traders. Everybody could trade. Most people lose. Most people lose. They're all over the place. You can see a lot of these people claiming to be the #1 day trading guy on YouTube. He's all over the place. All over the place, man. He made his biggest trade of the whole year this year. He made $375. Out of his mind. That stuff ain't making no money. Picks in the Mojo Room making the money. OTLK is making a move up today, 150. Outlook Therapeutics. A couple of weeks ago, it made a huge move. Look. I know them all, dudes. It went to $8. Coming up out of this little base now. See it? OTLK. Outlook has a past history on this day right here. Let's go to the daily. Ooh, look at it on the daily, guys. Big move. OTLK. Ooh, Mike's not in the room. OTLK, guys. Making a big move today. Look. C2, OTLK. See, that's it used to be $8. That used to be $8. What's going on that YouTube out there? Anything happening? Interesting. Oh, how come Andrew, what's going on, Andrew? Welcome to the Mojo crew. Roger, you already are in Mojo University, Roger. Come on, dude. Stop playing games. Merry Christmas, buddy. What else we got going on? You want to see some awesome videos? I got some awesome videos, man. Let me show you a couple other stocks that are hot first, though. How about this? The V-Ray. We traded that last time I saw it was 469. Wow, took a dump. Look at the V-ray on the minute. Ooh, I told you last time I saw it was 470 and change. 485, took a 40-cent dump. Damn, Mojo. Look at that, huh? Crazy, right? Nah, not really. What about CLXT? 474 by 475. That may make a move. It's traded 20.3 million. Callista, never heard of it before. Look at it on the. Ooh, nice. It's got a 6-cent spread. Been as high as 5. May go test 5 again today. It's got some capabilities. Move on to the next. ACOR. Is that Acorns? Remember to see that commercial for the Acorns? Did I show you that video from my 11-year-old son? I told you, remember I played that one yesterday? Did I play that yesterday? I'm not sure if I did. Here he is. Trey Kennedy. I'll save that. Funny. One of my funny videos I'll play for today. McDonald's. McDonald's got me. You see the Food That Made America the other night? McDonald's was on there. See that? That guy Ray Kroc, he's a crook. Got the McDonald's brothers in the loop. Take a look at Mickey D's for you. MCD. Down, terrible in the 15-minute trend, your friend. Stock's going lower. What else you need to know? That's it. Did that in 1 second. I don't got to look at the daily. There you go. Go test down here at the 187. It's going to 172 by 77. There you go. As McDonald's going to go test that MCD. There you go. Mojo's like Kramer, buy, sell, and hold, baby. Mojo's like Kramer, buy, sell, and hold. I'm telling you, man. Dude, the cat knows. You've seen the cat. He knows. What else we got going on? B-Cell. 1304. Big spike for the day on B-Cell, but it's got like a 25-cent spread. Who the hell's going to touch it, right? Kern towards 12 now. Kernelator did good, man. CRVS 384. Corvus Pharmaceuticals. Vive 9 back to 95. It was $1.04 last time I looked. LE at 13.98. Lands End. May Hines 14. Already did. CMRX. Chimerix. Cure. 2 days in a row on Cure. Mesa. Look at Mesa. Mesa Air Group. Akba. $6 on Akba. Just going down the gainers list right here, folks. Went through the top 20 on the old gainers list. Nothing really hot to trot there. Nothing happening. Getting a cold from my boy every time he comes home from... What's there to think about? Hey, Joe, that's a good one. See, there's Joe, guys, the guy that wrote the article for the blog. Can't beat the deal, man. Absolutely.
Yes. Yeah, baby.
What else we got going on? Let me show you the cool vids. You got it, man. Went through that pop the trot. Let me show you those cool videos right there. Trey, his name is Trey. Dudes, we want you, dude. I'm telling you, for the mojo. Be a killer. Blow that market up. Don't get killed. All right, guys, let's check out this cool video right here. This is Trey Kennedy imitating my 11-year-old boy.
What do you say grace for us? Well, as I asked you to man. Just do it. Dear God, thanks. Amen. Are you serious? What? I prayed. Dear God. No, too late. Get up. What? Hey, shoes off the table. What? I said take your shoes off. Clean. Young man. Hey, I won't say. No, you'll do it now. I'm now. All right. Hey, give me your phone. I took them off. What do you want from me? What's your attitude? Oh. Excuse me. What are you Mom, not first. What are you doing? Nothing. You're doing your Fortnite. You should be doing your chores. Stop. Are you ready for bed? Yes. Have you brushed your teeth? I don't know. Last I checked, I don't know. Brush your teeth. 5 minutes, Mom.
This is how my son brushes his teeth. Watch.
5 minutes. Turn it on. Get up. Do it now. Oh, great. Do it.
Look, is this your boy? Look, he does. Look at the mean. The
Do it now.
He does it.
Great. Do it. There. Hey, I'm getting your father. I did it. Get your father. What did I say about picking up your shoes? Okay, well, in a minute. Pick them up now. Come on. What? Oh my gosh, Mom! Now what? Watch it. I picked them up. Now what? Are we out of water bottles? Yes, I'm going to the store today. Whoa.
And he flips the bottle. What are we turning for?
Something for you.
What are you doing? We don't have any water bottle. Good man. What? I know you're avoiding your chores. I'm going to the bathroom. No, get out now. Come on. Oh, so now I'm not allowed to poop? Can I take them too? Quit saying that. Are you? Whoa. Okay. Turn the lights off. Oh my God. What you doing? Watching a video. What video are you watching? Nothing. What? Come on. Hold on, I'm watching Jake Paul. Can I be excused? Can you be excused? What? Please. Yes, you may. Push the chair, boy. What? Oh my gosh. You must like it. I pushed the chair. I can go back to the orthodontist. Why am I going back? Why not? Because it hurts. I'm not going back, and he's weird. It's full. It's full. What are you? That is full. Run it. So if all your friends jump off the bridge, you would too. Push you. What? Oh, nothing. You said nothing. Nothing. I didn't say you off the bridge. No, I didn't even say that. I didn't promise. I didn't even say that. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I ran away from home. I hate everyone. I'm back, but I'm not talking to anyone. I want to go to that movie. I want to see it. You're not old enough. Sorry. She gets to go? Because she's older. Oh, it's so unfair. I said it. What? Here.
Nice. Let's see what JB's doing in the Philippines.
Try Toyo Tropical's new Grill Master
What's up, y'all? It's starting to get a bit colder here in Texas, so tomorrow morning at 3 a.m. I will be off on a 4-month wakeboard vacation to CWC in the Philippines, which is also known as the best cable park in the world. I will be alternating between videos there and here until I run out of videos from here. So yeah, stay tuned. I'll take y'all on my trip. It's 3 a.m. in the morning right now. I have my board bag packed already. I'm going to take this thing and load it up in the truck, and we should be ready to go to the airport.
Nice.
Before the kicker, the Asian chicken cashew. Cool.
I think maybe a minute.
What's up?
Go get him, JB.
Just getting all the rails wet, and then we'll start riding. front lip, change up to 50-50, then back 3 out. The same thing on this incline, but switch. Switch front lip on the incline, back 270 out. 50-50 on the box, 50-50 on the incline, then front 3 out. Gonna go for a nice full wheelie on this box. 50-50 and nollie back 1 off this little incline.
Hey guys, it's Pro Trader Mike. I'm just testing out my systems right here. It's called Stopping Station, which I gave out to the room. I got some Twitter on Stopping Station. I'm just testing it out and seeing if it worked good. It worked perfectly. I gave it out as a pick to the room right here off Stopping Station. You can see that right here. Twitter looks good off the Stopping Station. Just testing out, waiting for the bar to turn green. And for surely did. I'm not looking for any big trade. I was just testing my systems, making sure my hotkeys are working, making sure it's stopping on the right marks. And that's pretty much what we got going on. What else we got going on? Drio. Check out my swing picks for you guys, because the guys later are going to be watching for the swing trade update. Let's take a look at what the swings are doing. This is updated in real time. I mean, not in real time, but it's a Google sheet that's updated. That's updated. NVAX got put in there. NVAX. I got to update this because some of them took some profits. NVAX was right there and it was triggered at $5. Same thing. And it's at 480, down 3%, but that got triggered today. Cassava Sciences is at the high of 187. Nope. Okay, so we got Cassava right here. Is ACHV at 88 cents is 88 cents. Tops at 78 was at 83 today, is at 79. GLG at $1.30 was as high as 143 today, is 135. SAV at 160, high of 187 is 180. NVAX from 499, high of 512 is 480. SNCA at 85, 89, high of 91. The ones that are up, ITP, 893 to 98. These are just down a little bit. And Ramble On got stopped out, unfortunately. So that's the Rumble. First one of the month is a loss. On Rumble On. I liked it though, but I'm going to have to revisit it, that's all. Where's the Rumble? No, actually the stop price was 97. It didn't get hit. Good. See that, guys? But NVAX got triggered. Let's see. Emerson Radio doing nothing. So these are the ones that are down, the Rumble. You can go to 97. It's only down 12. I thought it was down more. All these are up. This now is up, UVXY. And this UVXY too. A lot of nice profits, guys. UV at 1635 with the covered call. It's going to make a 15%, a 7.5, and 8.6 on UV. Look at that, huh? Beautiful. Also along last month in November, closed out these on UVXY already for 8.45 and 8.45. Two of them, $3 in premiums. That's three. Then you got four, $5.50. $6.50, $6.70 in premiums in UVXY in 2 months. It's pretty unbelievable, man. That's pretty unbelievable. Whew, that's some good stuff. And here's UV again. That one's profitable too. That's sweet. ATNM, 31 cent today from 25. Gene, 177. Hopefully it'll hold. And that's it, guys. Good job. Good job. Swing update. What's V-Ray at? 450. Came up from 444. And then Twitter. Ooh, 60 now on Twitter. I think that's where we got out of it. Nice job. Nice job. What else we got? You guys did great today. Went up to 1134. Wow. Wow, my boys had some of that down there. Went to 1134. Miraculous. Went 1134 today. Amazing. The new strategy is to switch to the 15-minute chart once we got the trend in our favor. Even the 60-minute. Just a strategy within the system to update. See my boys sitting there. Ooh, they're so cute. Bobo Schneer and Mr. Rem in the sunbathe. There they are. Can't move them right now, so I have to just... What else we got? So you guys did great today. 62, 63 now on Twitter. Doing awesome. You guys was fine, but the next one is mine. Your new motto. That's today's motto. Ooh, Steve just subscribed to my videos. Steve Jans, welcome, buddy. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Oh, Carl Hines. Carl Hines, dude. He's going to be rich. Just joined Mojo University, dude. Is he in the room? Carl? Carl. His name is Carl Hines. He just joined the Mojo Day Trade. 267, guys, on Twitter. Nice. Twitter looked great. Told you. $29.67 now from Stopper. Where'd I get that Stopper from? I'll tell you right now. 56 stopping station. 56. 55. Nice. Nice. Tested beautifully. Systems are A-OK. Starship Enterprise running significantly nice. Absolutely. What else we got going on? Had some nice winners in the last couple of days, man. This month, this year. Can't believe the year's next year is going to be the best year. If you're not trading for Mojo, then you're trading on a subpar team. I'll tell you right now, the number one, go to YouTube, you'll see two people, Jason Bond Picks and Warrior Trading. Yesterday, he didn't even trade. He didn't even trade. What kind of room are you going to be in? And the day before, he's trading a $500 challenge account. What kind of thing is that, dude? You know what I'm saying? He didn't even trade yesterday. What kind of deal is that? Everything went wrong. Everything went wrong. I didn't even trade.
What's up, you guys? All right, well, today's the day where everything that could go wrong went wrong. Today was a disaster. It's snowing outside.
Oh.
And so I'm trading from home. I might end up breaking them, so I'll leave them at the office. And then, of course, we have snow trading. And I only have one Ethernet, small. I thought that those would be really especially helpful for you guys to see. The problem is that the software that I have, I can only screen record one monitor at a tube, and then this computer I'll use streaming on YouTube, and YouTube was not that I hear, and it was just late, which was hardwired. So the broadcast opportunities. So the bell rings, and by the way, this was gapping up with a Premarket over 650. It's been kind of weak, which is not. It then dropped down because I wanted to see how many shares I'd be able to buy. I close the window through 7. Zoom from the hall. But does a little pull thing. Talked about a number of different if I'm down $500. This is a tiny account. And if I had 1,000 or 2,000 or 3,000, I probably would have gone ahead and taken this pullback trade. I would have had the cushion and been able to afford. How would I be feeling right now if I was doing this recap and I said, listen, guys, jumped into this ASLN trade, put in my $500 and I can day trade as often or after commissions. So I've got to be mindful of that as well. 500 and to stocks on the gap scanner. Hopefully we have some good videos in place. So crap.
Didn't place a trade. Went through the whole video, skipped along. And the other guy, Jason Bond, all they do is I have no idea. Still every week it changes. Every week it changes. Unbelievable. Every week it changes. The Profit Master, Fast and Profit 5. Let me just get this guy signed up for the courses, man. Got a new guy. Mr. Hines. He joined. His name is Hines. Carl Hines. Maybe it's really the Hines guy. You know what I'm saying? Could be, man. Could be. You never know. See if he enrolled in the course. And I'll load him up with the course. Yeah, he did. Nice. Give him the online day trading course, load, pink, and I give him the Mojo toolbox too. Pink, load, done. Yeah, man. So that's that one. So I try to watch everybody's videos. I try to watch everybody's newsletters. I try to watch all throughout the entire industry. Everybody, no matter who they are. I watch them all. That's what I do. I'm bored, guys. What else am I going to do? I'm sitting here watching the show. I want to show you what I see. And there you go. If I see it, I want to show you so you see it. And there you go, baby. What do we got? Anything here? Twitter's still 65 by 66. That was a good bottom bang on Twitter down there off stopping station. What else we got? OTLK. Let's see how it's looking on the outlook. Still same thing at $1.55. Drio, same thing. Yesterday's big winner on ASLN. 270 by 71, down $2.49. Holy crap. That's terrible. Probably did a pump and dump and now some offering. It's notorious for stocks to do that. Definitely. My goal is to let her quit her job and stay home and take care of the kids. Go B, nice. Edwin, hello Mojo U, my new career in life. New layout, easy to learn. What are you guys doing in the room? Anything looking good right now? End of the day, 2:48. Been here forever. What do we got looking at? Anything? V-Ray popped back up again, but besides that one, really nothing's moving. There's 20 days a month. Let me show you. What I teach in my course. Let me show you guys a little lesson. Okay? Now, I've been doing this for a long time. So is a lot of other guys in my room. Okay? Now there's 20 days to trade every month. And it's a long time, man. Every month should be the same, just like in poker. You don't become a professional tournament player by jumping all over the place and being wild dog and not doing the same thing, not recognizing the patterns and the variance. So there's 20 days to trade. And I promise you, and that's just from doing, this is from 2012 data to 2019 data, 7 years of data. A lot of data. 7 years of data. You know what I'm saying? So off that 7 years of data, I know that there's 20 days to trade per month. Yeah. Woo! Woo! Dude, I'm a master, man. Dude, am I a master? I figured that out. Dude, there's 20 days to trade, bro. Dude, I figured it out. I'm a master. Could you believe I figured that out, guys? Can you believe it? It's like I invented, I'm like Bird's Eye. I'm like JP Morgan. Dude, I figured out this 20 days to trade. Isn't that amazing? Carl, thanks for joining, buddy. Thank you. Thanks for the confidence. Yo, I figured it out, man. There's 20 days to trade. See that, dude? I figured it out. Amazing, right? There you go, Carl. You got your money's worth right there. Damn, I'm good. Seriously now, out of those 20 days, 3 of them, 3 are unbelievable. I mean, you're going to hit that month's big winner. One of those days is going to be better than the other day and the other day. It's going to be a top 3 days of the month. You know that? Guaranteed every month. Now, what does that leave? 17 days left. Oh, I'm a genius. 20 minus 3, 17, baby.
Give me a Y, give me an E, give me an N. Yeah!
Can you believe I did that? I figured 20. Can you believe it? Minus 3 equals 17. Dude, I'm genius. Dude, I'm genius, man. Dude, I am a genius. I'm a genius teaching you the methodologies of my trading. So out of the 17 days, guys, I guarantee you it's broken up into 10 and 7. 10 of the days are just normal. You're going to hit your daily goal. There's going to be not a lot of stress. It's going to be like today is one of the 7. It's not normal. The stocks are not going to react. You're going to be maybe a little bit below your average. It's going to be a slower day. And you're not going to make as much. These days you are. These days you're going to make a ton. So let's say on these days you make $1,000. On these days you make $300. And on these days, you make $100. Look at that. You made $700 here, right? $300 times, you made $3,000 here. And let's cut this to 500 only, guys. 3 amazing days of 500 is 1,500. So you made 1,500, 3,000, and another 700. It's 4,500. $5,200, and that's winning 20 out of 20. Let's say you only win 18 out of 20. Take off one of the days. You're still very profitable for the month. Doing the Heinz trading system that you learned in Mojo, breaking down the 20 days, and that's how it works. Every single month. Month after month after month after month. Right, little Bobo? He's such a good boy. He's such a good boy. And that's what we do, guys. That's how we do it. And if you're watching this video and you disagree, then you disagree. Good luck with your trading. If you like this video and you agree, you should come join and check out the MOJO Day Trading Room Holiday Special for 30% off, where you're going to get the combo pack. That's swing trading and the day trading, because you only need an hour. Doesn't matter if you come in right now during the day at 2:55 and trade the last hour. Let's say you got your lunch hour, you eat a quick bite, you're a quick eater, you got 45 minutes left. Just go sit down, open up your computer, and bang out a couple of Heinz trades on top of that lunch. There's always stocks going through an even number. Always stocks. And I'm even thinking about working with Python programmers right now with one of my other traders on setting up a program that explores and does the hard work, executing, scanning for the Heinz and doing that trade. A red light, green light, yellow light option, baby. You know, making it simple dimple.
Yes.
Yes.
Well, yes.
What else we got going on? Dude, Cara. Remember Cara? Therapeutics? That used to be a nice weed one, dude. Wow, look what Cara's done in the last many days. It went from 26 and it halted down. Ooh. Damn. What's CGC at? 19. Right at the high of the day. I told you it was going to be a weed day today, too, in the room. Sure did. Many times. Many times. Not once, not twice. Weed day. Just do a search. Look. Today is a weed day. 9:26 here, right here. This is today, right here. No, is that 10:15? No. Weed day, 9/5. Newest. Weed. Enter. Mike riding the weed stocks high. Of course, weeds are moving. Weed, that was yesterday, right here, 10 a.m. Weeds are moving. CGC Crone Tilray, right there. So if you're in the room, you would have came in at 10 o'clock. You would have seen, hey, dude, I'm going to get in on CGC at 19. I mean, that's Tilray, 1912, 1920. Tilray, TLRY. Bullish. Signal at 1920, large ask. Bam, gone. 1921 to 25, and it moved through there within less than a minute. and I said it was bullish. I had time to even type that in. And then it went 9:24:33. Another signals at 30 right there, bullish. 10:04:38 timestamp, gone. 10:04:57. It's at 9:35, and how weed it is, baby.
Yes.
Haha, sweet picks. CGC from 1845 to 59 is now at 1890. Awesome. Awesome, yes. Wow. It never gets old, that movie. Twitter, Tweety, Crone new high, CGC new high, Tilray new high. Getting weedy with it. Pro Trader Batman, great trading in the Mojo room. He had the UGAS, did amazing with it. Question, how to pick winner after winner and always be right in the sectors? Answer, follow Pro Trader Mike. There you go. Done. Twitter, UVXY, drop, stay away from it. Stay away from UV. We could have made trade on it. Kern, which was nice right there for the Heinz, went 1080. There's the 11 right there. That one took only a little bit to move. It took from 1021.52 to 1022.24, and it's up considerably. And then we did SRNE, which was unbelievable trade today. One of the best trades of the day was SRNE. Crone new high, CGC new high. Riding the weed stocks high. Stay on the reservation and stop losing money. That's all you have to do. Beginner made his first $80 profit on you guys in the room. Nice job, beginner. I've been trading with Mike for 7 years and only trading his picks every day, which is spot on correct. Absolutely. I got to save that, dude. That's a good one right there. Gotta love that. And then we've got, nice, thank you. When you spend 32 years being your own boss, it's difficult to take in someone else's ideas. I like Mike, and I know he means well for all of us. It's just my own stupidity and stubbornness. I can't blame Mike for any of my losses. Here you go. Well said. Thanks for the support. Absolutely. We're a big team of support, and I picked PCG to go higher, and it's doing really well. Twitter's doing well also. SRNE went to 4. Sava's doing good right there at $1.80. SRNE, you could see the Hulk GG combination. Here's the Hulk. Here's the GG right there, sticking up like a green bean. That's why I call it the Green Giant. It's called the Green Giant, and the Hulk are the Hulk green bars. It's a huge green giant, and it's going to go up again. That was the SRNE, and it's right here at 371. If you want to take a look at it, let's see, it's 375. It's the same thing. It's not really doing much right now. It's just slow. Sava, really nice. That's my swing pick. No one's ever heard of Sava before, guys. Sava, Cassava Sciences. No one's ever heard of that stock before. I picked that one for the swing. Together, lunchtimes can be happy times, guys. Lunchtimes can be happy times together. You know what I'm saying? When everybody eats lunch at the same time and stuff, you know? Lunch is nice. What else we got going on? SRNE, great job. Alan's in control of SRNE. Watch. So I'm out at lunch. Alan's in the room now taking control. Watch. SRNE Heinz. That means he's in at like 80, 80, 85, 90, making a move towards Heinz. And I got these great stocks. The UGAS, I'm up 15% right there on 3 positions. And UVXY, I'm up 13%. Beautiful. Beautiful trades on the UBs, up thousands of dollars. SRNE, get ready to start selling. So he's told, selling 396 from 3. It's telling you, look, get in on that thing and start doing that. and he told you to sell at 96 to 98, and then it's 388. And I'm at lunch eating the power of the mojo, and he's helping the room making money with the burger and the fries. Can you believe that, man? Believe that? Look, this is what it's trading like with Mojo every day. That's Alan's little throw box. Anybody got a little throw box like that? Anybody got a little throw box like that? You don't? You could in 2020. You come trade for the Mojo room. This is waiting for you. I won't post that on social media either because that's nobody's business, man. You see it there in the room. There it is. I ain't going to post that. You ready for an afternoon delight? Jody likes it. WRTC was looking good today, too. That was up there. I was at 492. Remember I said I was going to move into 5? Check it out. Bam. It's 498 now. Moved up a little bit. Start touching towards 5. UV's spiking a little bit right now. Head back into 18. UV's headed up right now. SPY's crushing, headed down at 307 stopping station. Wrap Technologies. And that's what we really did today, guys. So I want to thank everybody for checking out the Mojo Room, being involved, learning what we do, making money with what we do. There you go. See what else is going on. 3 o'clock, end of the day. Only thing moving is ticking is UVXY up and down. Not giving a lot. And I trade with commission, so it's not conducive for me to try to trade because if I'm wrong and I want to sell, it's going to cost me commission, and it's not moving a lot. So I'm 10 to sell it because it's not moving a lot, and it'll probably tick down in the right direction. When it ticks up 4 cents, it sells off 3 cents. So it's pretty difficult to trade right now. So I just sit and watch. Educational, my traders out there with a little educational moment. And hanging out with my pooches right over here. You can take a look at that. There's my boys. The camera's messed up a little bit on that. There's the boys. My little honey pies. My little sugar. Hi, Bobo Schnare. Weedy. You're nice. He is a good boy. He is a good boy. What else we got going on in the day trade room? Showed you the video, showed you everything. So listen, that's it for today, guys. The day's over. I wish everybody a happy night and a good night. And we pick it up in the morning. We trade and do the same thing. I'm so excited to come in here in the morning, see from what's humping at night to what's pumping in the morning. Come on now. We love these stocks. We love trading with the Mojo. And if you're not, and you're guru and you have 1,000 people in your room and guys are really throwing out picks because they were made into, your moderators and not trading because he's lost his money or he's started a small account challenge or he's just whatever. Dude, I guarantee and I know there is nobody.
No.
Nobody
No!
out there consistently besides MeAir at TradeNet, which is partner firm of Mojo's. They do it right. They're real deal.
Yes.
Everybody else fugazi.
No!
Yeah.
Yeah!
There you go. Okay? So if you're losing,
Yeah, baby!
you need to come to the Mojo. And we'll help you, man. Turn that lose into a win. Damn, that UV 1784. We could have made 3 cents from the 81. Now it's 85. Once it touches over that, then it's going to 90. See, there's the people short covering right there. It's got the volume, man. Look at that volume bar on the bottom right corner. Down there. It's a big volume bar. 89 now. Missing a trade in UV. It's all right. No big deal. Tomorrow's another day. And it's 3 o'clock, so we'll watch what happens towards UV into $18. And there it goes, 92. 93. Ooh, could have made a dime. Big dime move on the Mojo show. It's okay, because I would have been wrong on V-Ray, and that would have been a loss, and that one would have been a win. So big deal. One, I would have been 50-50. Instead, I didn't do either of them. Glad Peloton's down $3. And on that destruction, we'll rid you a goodbye. Everybody subscribe so when I do go live, you get notified. And peace. Keep it profitable. Later, guys. Peace.